This is Canopy 2 of Malaysia Pavilion. Over here, we mainly talk about different sustainable agri commodities of Malaysia. This is known as Tree of Light. It consists of 2640 LED lights. You can see 3 screens over here. One of the screens control the light. There are 4 different modes. You can change the light's color, you can change the intensity, you can change the speed, and those 4 modes are derived from the nature. And those 2 screens mainly shows you about different sustainable agri commodities. You get the information about how they are produced, when they are produced, at what rate they are produced. And by placing your phone with the selfie camera on, you can take an amazing photo in display. Thank you.